As I'm filming this, I am smack in the middle of the holiday season. And like most women, I'm making the magic happen. I'm doing the shopping, the wrapping, the baking, the decorating, and occasionally flaking out a little. But today, I want you to know about one tiny new habit that has made my life so much easier, holiday season or not. This is my fourth holiday season since getting my brain back, but only my first with my new morning BFF. Which is a mistake, a tragedy. We should have hooked up long ago. Starting the day the no-carb way is everything for clean low-carbers. But honestly, it's everything for everybody. Because when you kick off your day on a carb high, you are setting yourself up for a fall. That's just facts. But hang on, do not click away, please. I am not going to wander into an anti-carb rant today. Instead, I'm going to acknowledge the fact that not everyone has time to make bacon and eggs every morning of their lives. If you are getting ready to run out to your job, if you're feeding your kids, or if you're just trying to grab 10 more precious moments of sleep, even scrambling an egg can feel like too much time, too much effort. I'm retired. I have time, and even I don't always feel like waiting for the bacon to crisp. So here is the answer, and it is beautifully simple. Make a frittata. Now, listen, if you're of Irish descent like me, frittata sounds like something you need a passport for. Oh, at first, I heard all those syllables and I was scared. I didn't know much about a frittata, but I did know one thing. Frittata meant eggs. And I have never been an egg person. Even now, I'm still not really an egg person, although, bless them, I praise them, I appreciate them. They are God's perfect food, protein and natural fat. I enjoy them in my browned cheese eggs recipe. But still, I'm not really an egg person, and I feared the frittata. Fool. After I finally made my first frittata, like about 2 months ago, late to the party as always, I climbed right on board and asked to drive the train. I freaking love frittatas. Got a little carried away there. I love frittatas, and I want everyone else to love them too. Recently, I tried to convince daughter number one that she needed frittatas in her life. You can guess how much she appreciated that. I'm good, Mom. Yeah, she wanted no part of it. She's also not team egg. Well, one day I had her as a captive in my kitchen. I served her a slice. She eyeballed it with that familiar, "What's in this?" Mind you, this is a girl who walks a mile each way for the privilege of paying for a tate quiche each week, which I would too. Tate is so good. But frittatas, they are not so different. But daughter number one didn't know that. I told her, "Lizzie, it's just like a quiche, just without the crust," which, yes, arguably might be the best part, but we're putting that aside for today. Take a bite. And she did. She tried it, and she liked it. Oh, and so do I. Oh, I love it. My daughter Megan served me frittata last time we visited her in Florida. She has long been ahead of me in the kitchen skills department. Now, my Megan makes her frittatas with veggies and feta. You might toss in ham and Gruyere. Gruyere? I don't know how to say that. Gruyere. You might use ham and Gruyere. I make mine with Hamburg and shredded Mexican blend. There's no wrong way to make it. The only wrong option is not making one. So here's exactly what I do now. I make myself a big frittata on Sunday, and I keep it to myself. The mister can enjoy his over-easies. And I dig into my first delightful slice on Sunday, and pop the rest in the fridge. Breakfast for the rest of the week done. It is the gift I give myself. I wake up in the morning and I know my breakfast is ready and waiting for me and freaking delicious. And I want you to give yourself this gift too. Now, I don't have a video on making frittatas. I'm no expert. As I said, I'm new to this, but you can find one. But if you're wondering about those cheesy brown eggs, you can watch this video next, titled something like, "Eggs are gross? This simple recipe will change your mind." It might.